Welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you how to hide your online status on WhatsApp. If you'd prefer to keep your activity private and not let anyone see when you're online, follow these simple steps to update your settings and control your privacy. Step 1. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account and ready to adjust your settings. Step 2. Once WhatsApp is open, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will open the menu with several options. Step 3. From the menu, tap on Privacy. This is where you can manage who sees your profile details, including your last seen, status, and online activity. Step 4. Next, tap on Last Seen and Online. This is the section where you can control who can see your last seen time and whether your online status is visible to others. Step 5. Now, tap on Nobody. This will hide your online status from everyone, so no one can see when you're active on WhatsApp. Step 6. Finally, under Who can see I am online? Tap on Same as last seen. This ensures that the setting you just applied to your last seen will also apply to your online status, keeping everything consistent. And that's it. You've successfully hidden your online status on WhatsApp. Now no one will know when you're online, giving you complete control over your privacy. If you ever want to change this again, just follow these same steps and select a different option. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips.